Morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're back now. We're going to be looking at 04 Nursery. It's a double deep Nook 5 frame. It has a blue queen in it. It's getting kind of old, which we mentioned before, but she's a couple days older now. Doesn't look like we've been in it for a while. So we're going to look at today, we may be making a split. We don't know exactly what we're going to be making. There's little bees. We're looking at the top to make sure there's no queen walking around up there. We're looking up here at the feeder rim, making sure there's no queen walking around on there. We're flipping it over so we can, there we go. Okay, make sure y'all can see this. Yep. Yeah, we probably pick it up a little bit. The sun is out. It's warm. But I can see a little bit. We have our smoker. This frame here was put in here on May the 2nd. They're over here fast tuning. Down here they're fast tuning. They're building foundation. And as long as they're building foundation and they're fast tuning, I'm not going to bother them. We're going to take them out and check them this way. Y'all see that? It's got honey across the top, I hope. This is the inside of that outside frame. Got honey in the top, nectar. I'm not even going to look for eggs yet. This one has eggs, larvae, foundation, little honey. This is a good one to make a split with because it's got a little bit of everything. There's the blue queen. She's right here. So we're going to put her back in the house too. This one has brood, eggs, bees, larvae. Same thing with this side. One little twink up here. That's them. This is all capped brood and eggs and larvae. This up here is eggs. This is capped capped brood. This is capped brood. A little bit of honey and nectar going across the top. This is all eggs. She may be old, but she's working hard. But we want to keep our bloodline here. So we got to make a split. This one has brood, eggs, larvae, And here has the same thing. It's all brood. This is all larvae and eggs. So she's doing great. Just because you're old don't mean you can't do what you need to be doing to do what you got to do. This whole top is just laid out. This one here has drones. Has some worker cells. It has some nectar. It has drones and, you know, nectar and stuff like that. A little bit of cat brood off here to your left. I can't show you with my fingers like this. So, what we're going to do, see that whole top, we can put them in a double deep 8. Actually, we can put them in a double deep 10. Because there's 10 frames here. And if it was a regular young queen, we probably would. But this one here, we're just going to give her some more space. And take a couple frames of eggs out. This one, can you see it? Can you see what I see? Not really. We'll take care of that. Drop it down a little bit. And tilt it a little bit. This tripod here for my camera, I like it a lot better than one I paid the high dollars for. And this one here came from Harbor Freight. It's a Harbor Freight laser, and it's got about, I mean, it's cheaply made, but it's got all the functions. The tilt, side tilt, up and down tilt, up and down scope. This one here has some nectar in it. Has a little nectar, a little pollen. From the looks of it, it was in backwards. What we might do here is put our split here, because the worker broods, you know what I mean, with the eggs. Worker broods are out working right now, and they'll be coming back to the house. So if we take the queen away, she would have brood and eggs and all this, and she would just keep going. Take some of those eggs and brood from up there and put down here, and when the workers come back, they'll fill it up. They'll make queens, and life will go on. This is a good frame that they'll rebuild for the queen. Lay eggs. We'll put the queen somewhere else in the yard. She's upstairs, she's happy. This one here has nectar and pollen on it. No eggs. Now this is the one that we'll leave downstairs because it has pollen on it. And remember, pollen is what they use a lot to raise their babies. So we're going to leave it down here. it on the outside. Find a place to put this one. There we go. Be back. Hot out here and getting thirsty again. On one of my weather station things, it said that it was heat index was 109. I don't know if I believe that or not, but it was hot out here. Take this one out with the brood. Now we're going to put that one back in the top. Take this one. And it has eggs and larvae. We're going to put it in the bottom. We're going to stick this one in the middle. No, we'll stick this one in the middle. We're going to stick this one here so the queen can lay in it. We're going to take this one and we'll put it back with the queen. It has eggs and brood. Maybe we'll put this one in here. What is this one? This one has stores on it, so we're going to put it in there. We're going to put this one here. We're going to put this one here. Don't want to squish the bees. We're going to put this one back in here because it has the stores. Now, we have the queen, eggs, brood up in the top. We're going to give her some room up here to build in. Slide this one over that's supposed to have the queen on it. And we're going to stick this one right here. Y'all probably can't see what I'm doing over here, but we're going to go and we'll make it a little bit bigger now. No, hold on, I'll get right in here. Just learn how to use this thing. Okay, this one here is our mother hive that's got our queen in it. This one over here is the one that we're going to have making queen cells. The one with the queen in it is 104. And then this one over here that we're going to be making queens with will be named something else. And our queens haven't hatched over here in the other hive yet. So, we're going to take this bottom board Stick it here. Take the one with the queen in it and stick it on top. We're going to take the one we're going to make the split out of it, put it over here. We're going to give them some pollen patty. Little bit got a leg caught. Okay. I know some of you would have said, "Oh, it's only a bee." Yeah, it's my bee. Put that on there. We'll come back and give them some food, and we'll put that there. Now this one, they'll need some food too, but we're going to put this one on here now. We're going to give her some pollen patty because they're looking for it. You can jump all over that. Oh yeah, they like that. Put that there. We'll put their top back on them and we'll name them and number them. Maybe we'll have the one with the queen in at 104. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed that. Give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share. And we got more to come. But y'all have a great day. Bye.